M4B. See what comes in the box. So your M3C, M4B, M5. I also have a Z2B birth sheet. When you get a M4B, this is what it comes with. Comes with your gain, your remote, Ethernet cable, 2 Allen keys for your inputs, and I'm supposing this is the base knob. Yes, it is, and it's the newer model too. That's cool. I wish my Z2B would have been packed up like this, my remote, because in the back of my remote knob, the inputs for the RCAs like impacted the back of this during shipping. You could tell that there was like imprints on that. Voltage. And clipping indicator, max output. It's real smooth. You can see it's machined on there. Not machined, but engraved. Yeah, that's all. It's pretty much M4B for you. Unboxing. The last minute of unboxing. Dual inputs. 8 gauge terminal inputs for your speakers. What? I was expecting to have a fan on the back of this amp, but apparently not. But yeah, it's pretty sexy.